Looking for the ultimate upgrade for your car's infotainment system? Meet the Universal Portable CarPlay Screen, a game-changer that brings Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to any vehicle. In today's review, we'll break down its features, performance, and why this might be the perfect addition to your car. One of the biggest selling points of this CarPlay screen is its easy installation. No complicated wiring, just use the self-adhesive bracket, mount it on your dashboard, and you're good to go. Plus, it supports 9 to 32 volt power range, making it compatible with cars, trucks, vans, trailers, RVs, and more. At 10.26 inches, the full HD 1080p touchscreen provides a crisp and clear display. Whether you're navigating through Google Maps, streaming your favorite YouTube videos, or taking calls, the improved sensitivity and vibrant colors make the experience seamless. This screen is designed to work flawlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you hands-free access to navigation, music, podcasts, calls, and even messages, all with voice control. No more fumbling with your phone while driving. Safety is a top priority, and this device doesn't disappoint. It comes with an optional dual-camera system for front and rear recording, helping you capture crucial details in case of an incident. The 170-degree wide-angle backup camera makes parking and reversing a breeze, covering up to 6 lanes. When it comes to audio, you've got options. The built-in speakers sound great, but for an even better experience, you can connect to your car's sound system via AUX cable or FM transmission. So, is the Universal Portable CarPlay Screen worth it? Here's a quick breakdown. Easy installation and universal compatibility, a large 10.26-inch HD touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control and hands-free operation, dual cameras for safety and recording, and multiple audio output options. Now, for the cons, it requires an external power source, so it's not fully wireless, and the FM transmission may vary in quality depending on your location. Overall, this Universal Portable CarPlay Screen is an excellent upgrade for any vehicle, offering both convenience and safety at an affordable price. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top-notch reviews.